Good day, everyone. How are you today? Welcome to my class. Yay! Last time I was telling you about five things I want you to remember. Number one, look. Two, listen. Three, be quiet. Four, hands on your lap. And number five, sit down comfortably. All right. So this afternoon, once again, welcome to my class and I want you to get ready. Are you excited? Yay! And to start with, today we are already in Unit 2, Lesson 4. I should change this one. Unit 1. Unit 2, Lesson 4. Yay! I'm so excited today to teach you. And for our Unit 1, Lesson 4, Unit 2, Lesson 4, we're talking about the grammar about classroom supplies. So last time we had Lesson 3 and we learned the vocabulary right down here. And today we'll be focusing on the grammar part of the lesson. To start with, I want you to review the spelling about the numbers because last time in Unit 2, Lesson 1, you learned about numbers. All right, ready? This is how you spell. Remember that? How you spell numbers? Ready?
In this video, when we scream, you scream. And when the music stops, you freeze.
This is how you spell zero. Z-E-R-O. Zero. This is how you spell one. O-N-E. One. This is how you spell two. T-W-O. Two. This is how you spell three. T-H-R-E-E. Three. This is how you spell four. F-O-U-R. Four. This is how you spell five. F-I-V-E. Five. This is how you spell six. S-I-X. Six. This is how you spell seven. S-E-V-E-N. Seven. This is how you spell eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight. This is how you spell nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. This is how you spell ten. T-E-N. So that is fun. If you have time, you can watch the video this part again and you can practice spelling 0 to number 10. So when someone asks you about numbers of certain things like your age or numbers of your school supply, you can tell them the right number and you can spell it out. Good job. All right. And our vocabulary in lesson number 3 is that we're talking about school supplies. We've got 6 vocabulary and I want you to review. First one, what is it? Pencil. Say pencil. 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 Next, pen. Pen. May I hear that? Pen. Next, ruler. 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 I've got a ruler right here. Yeah, can you see this? It's a ruler. Next one, eraser. 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 May I hear that? All right, good job. Next one, crayon. Crayon. Can you spell it out? Okay, Crayon. Crayon. Good job. And last but not the least, what do we have here? Colored pencil. Colored pencil. Colored. And then pencil. Pencil. Colored pencil. May I hear you? Okay, good job. So let's look at its picture. Pencil, 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 pencil. Next, pen, 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 pen. Next, ruler, 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 ruler. Yay! Can you look at this? What is this? Okay, can I hear that? Eraser, eraser, eraser. What about this? Crayon. By the way, I was telling you last time that when we talk about crayon, we have all the colors out there. This one right here is green, but there are more colors out there. Same thing with colored pencil. Colored pencil have so many colors, same as the same as crayon. So these are all our vocabulary for lesson 3 and 4. And today we will be focusing on the grammar. But before that, I want you to look at the video right here about introducing or presenting classroom supplies.
Happy camp. Happy camp.
Project time!
I have a pencil and an eraser.
Great!
I have crayons and colored pencils.
Thanks, Leo.
I have a pen and a ruler.
Great, Allie.
And I have an iguana.
It's fun. So here in this video you saw a while ago, it's all about introducing classroom supplies. We can read this. Project time. I have a pencil and an eraser. It's your turn. Okay, number 2. I have crayons and colored pencils. Okay, next, here, I have a pen and a ruler. Number 4, I have an iguana. Iguana is not a school supply, but it's part of a pet of this boy right here. Okay, so here in this particular presentations by each students, they were using in a grammar called article using a and an. In unit number 1, I introduced how to use this already. So I'm sure you can remember that if it is Our A, we use it for consonants, all the consonants like B, C, D, and many more. But when it comes to an or an, we use it for vowel. These are the only 5 things you need to memorize, and the rest would be consonants. And here, look at that. And all the beginning letters are all what? Vowels. Vowels, we've got A, E, I, O, U. Just remember these 5 things right here. A, E, I, O, U. If the vocabulary starts with a single vocabulary or singular vocabulary that starts with A, E, I, O, U, we should use an. All right, example here, an eraser, an index card, an umbrella, and ink. So all right here are vowels. Right here you can see a plus consonants or consonant. You can see a pencil, a pen, a ruler, a crayon, a colored pencil. So this is how we use an article a and an. Now let's look at our practice. This time I want you to practice speaking after we learn the grammar pattern. Presenting your school supplies. Look at here. So these are the words we're gonna use in the sentences. We have a and an are the articles we're gonna use, and the name of the objects or the school supplies we've got. Now look at here. First, what do you think is it? It's a pen? A pencil? It's a pencil. But before that, if we speak presenting our school supply, we say I have, and then article, and then we have here the object. So first, we already know what is here, right? We've got to know the object first, because if we use a or an, we don't know what the article, we might get mistake. Okay? Now let's do this. What word do you think is this one? Pencil. Where is the pencil? A, an, eraser, pencil. Which one? Aha, this one, pencil. It's a pencil, right? So we already have the word pencil. We write this one right here. We write the word pencil like that. And the next thing we're gonna look at is the beginning of or beginning letter of the word. Is it consonant or vowel? This time, letter P is a consonant. So if it is a consonant, we use a or a. Okay? So now it's complete. Can you say it with me? I have a pencil. Okay, let me find a pencil right here. Okay, say this is a pencil. Can you see this? It's a beautiful pencil. Okay, so how do we say it? I have a pencil. Very good. One more time. I have a pencil. Next, eraser. This is an eraser. At the tip of this pencil, there is an eraser. Okay. This one is a different type of eraser. Okay. But it's an eraser. So, how do we say it? I have. But let's find out first. How do we spell eraser? Look at here. An, eraser, pencil, ruler, pen. Which word do you think it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 2, eraser. Look at that. It's eraser. So we write this one right here. Okay? Eraser. Now let's look at the first letter of the word eraser. What do you think is it? What do you think it is? Is it consonant or vowel? E is consonant? Vowel? Yes. What letters do we have for vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So this one is a vowel. So what do we use if it is a vowel? We use an. So now it's gonna be complete. I have an eraser. So it's only one, so we can say I have an eraser. Now you know how to say it. It's your turn. First, pencil. How do you gonna say it? I have a pencil. Very good. One more time. Okay, next one. Eraser. How do you say it? I have an eraser. It's your turn. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Same thing. We've got the article a and an, eraser. These are the objects. Pencil, ruler, pen, crayon, colored pencil. First picture. Whoa, what is it? It's a crayon. Where is crayon? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, crayon. So how do we say it? I have. What is it? Crayon. So you put right here first. I have crayon. Now let's look at the first letter. Is it consonant or vowel? It's a consonant. Very good. So since this one is consonant, we can use letter A or N. A. We write down right here. I have a crayon. Can you say it? I have a crayon. Very good. I like it. Next one. What do we have right here? It's a ruler. Good job. Ruler. Can you find the word ruler right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 5. Ruler. So, how do we present? You say, I have ruler. And then we will find out what is the first letter. Is it a consonant or a vowel? It's a consonant. So again, we've got to use a. I have a ruler. Again, I have a ruler. Okay, so that's it. Very good. This time, presenting singular object at once. If you've got so many, ruler, pen, whatsoever you have, so many, eraser. So you can say like this. I have a pencil, a pen, a ruler, crayon I don't have here, but if in case you have a crayon, you can say a crayon. In case you have all these things, colored pencil, and the last one is an eraser. So you can say this all together at once. Okay? Can you say it one more time? I have a pencil, a pen, a ruler, a crayon, a colored pencil, and an eraser. Good job. Very good. So this is for singular. Okay, singular means only one object, only one school supplies. What if you have many or more than one? You can say this in plural. I have. You can say number, how many, and then objects in plural form. Example, I've got two examples. What can you see right here on the right side? What pictures? Can you see this picture? What do you think? They are pencils. Okay, pencils. So how do we say it? I have two pencils. If you don't know the number, you can just take out this two right here. I have pencils. It's fine. But if you know the numbers, you can count them. You can say the number and then the objects plus S, plural form of the number. I have two pencils. Right here, how many erasers can you find? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Very good. So you can say, I have 5 erasers. I have 5 erasers. So practice in your own time, counting your objects or school supplies, and say the same way as I have shared right here. So it's practice time. You look at here, and then there is no number here, crayons. Before we can answer these things right here, we will watch the video and listen carefully for each of the student who will be speaking about who will be presenting their school supplies. Look at carefully. The first speaker right here is this girl. She said, I have an eraser. We will look at who's the next speaker, and we can find and put the arrow right here by ourselves. All right, let's look at the video. Watch and listen carefully.
Happy camp, happy camp, happy camp.
Project time.
Okay, let's watch out.
I have a pencil and an eraser.
Eraser number
Great.
1 right here.
I have crayons and colored pencils.
Thanks, Leo.
Crayons and colored pencil.
I have a pen and a ruler.
Great, Allie.
Pen and a ruler.
And I have an iguana.
Iguana. All right, so here in this picture right here,
Happy camp,
we can see who spoke in each of those, or who spoke about presenting their materials. I have an eraser. It's this girl right here. What about I have a ruler? Aha, this one. I have an iguana. This boy right here with glasses. I have crayons. Huh? Okay, this one right here. Good job. So you can watch again and try to practice for yourself. Okay. So right now, it's classwork time. Yay! Classwork time. I'm so excited to practice what you learn right here. You can do it by yourself, but some of the work I will be giving you, I will be showing you how to do it. Are you ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Yay! So this is our worksheet. This is our worksheet or classwork we're gonna do for lesson number 4, grammar check. A while ago, you've learned how to introduce or how to present your school materials or school supplies. Right now, let's do the application. Here, Grammar check. So remember, we use a and an by presenting it. Example here, I have a pencil. I have an eraser. So right here, we know already the usage of this article a and an. So it's an application time. Number 1, match. So there is 1, 2, 3 right here. You've got to match them with each of the pictures right here below. How to match? Just draw a line, as simple as that. Example number 1. I have an eraser. Is it picture number 1, 2, 3? Is it this one, or this one? 1, 2, or 3? Can someone tell me 1, 2, 3? Okay, now let's check what's the right answer. Okay, so I have an eraser. This one right here is an eraser. All right, very good. Number 2, I have a crayon. Which one do you think? And number 3, I have a ruler. So it's your turn to answer number 2 and 3. Number 1, you can just do this, okay? You can just copy this. But number 2 and number 3, you've got to do it yourself. Number 2, I think you're done. Yes, good job. Number 2, complete. Remember the sentence right here structure? I have a, and then classroom object or school supply. I have an. Okay, so remember, A for consonants, N for vowels. So right here, are you ready? Okay, number 1, I have a, what picture is this? Pencil. So you can say, I have a pencil. Good job. So it's already complete. Number 2, I will help you. But number 3, you can do it by yourself. Okay, ready? I have, what's the missing here? I have a pen. So remember, this is the structure. I have a. I have an. Okay? And look at each of this and complete them following this structure right here at the top. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today and see you in my next video for lesson number 5. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.